Welcome to our brand new video. Today we will be going to make a video on how to make a blog on Squarespace. As you know, Squarespace is a well-known CMS-based platform. It is very easy to make a blog website on Squarespace. At first, we have to click Create Website button. As you see here, there are a lot of templates available here. You just have to choose your favorite one. Today we will make a blog on food. At first, we have to select the blog button. After selecting the blog button, you see there are a lot of templates available here for the blog. Those are very beautiful. Then we will select the food button here. Here is the magic, every template related to the food blog is being sorted out. We will start with this Brower template. This is looking more charming. Sometimes Squarespace takes some time to load up. In this area, you will have to fill up your blog name. Here I am giving my blog name, Food, and you can choose randomly anything you want. After that, you have to skip this all. Now, this is the main area where we will do the actual edit. In this template, there were already a lot of blogs imported. They just decrease our work. This is a very beautiful landing page for a blogging website. I am moving to the Pages section. In this section, you will find everything to edit. You can add anything you want with this plus button. Let's go to the blog page. On this page you are seeing already a lot of blogs are published. You can easily delete or edit them. If I click on the edit button, then I can edit everything on the place. Now I am putting my title here. I am giving a random title here. Don't mind. You can edit everything you want in this blog. As you see, there is a plus sign after every section. If I click this sign, I can add any kinds of text, image, form, gallery, social links, etc. Here I am adding a button for this blog. You can design this button on various bases. You can link this button to any other page or another link. You can add a spacer also. It will make your blog more professional. You can add everything you want. You just have to know what should you have to put in your blog to make it more professional. I am adding a newsletter form here. It will help you to collect mail from the visitors. Now I want to add some social links here. Social links are so important for blogging. You can change the design and alignment of social links. You can do whatever you want. I feel the outline is looking more premium. You just have to paste your social media link here. After every edit, you will have to save it to keep this edit available. Now I am creating another blog by clicking the plus icon. In the blog section, I am adding the blog title. I am giving a random title. This thing is super easy to create. Getting our first burger in New York. Cool. Now I am adding an image for my blog. For the image, I am going to pexels.com. You can collect images from anywhere or you can use your own image. But be sure to use a royalty-free image. And boom. This beautiful royal-free image uploaded on the blog. You can change the design of the image. You can make it as a like poster, card, overlap, collage, stack, etc. But for a premium and a useful look. I am using the inline here. You can add a lot of animations to the picture. But don't make it so hard to see. Use very simple types of animations here. Now I am adding some random texts to make it a real blog feel. Now, this is a very simple layout for a blog. I don't think you need more premium than that. Just use some normal design here. Now I want to change some settings of this blog. Here in the content, this post is showing on draft. I will not publish it now. So, I have left it on draft. You can add any tags basis on your niche. I am adding some random tags here. I can add it to any category list. As it is burger-related blog, so I am making a burger category. You can turn or off comments on this blog. In the option menu, you can change the author name. You can add a thumbnail image also. Here in the SEO part, you can a lot of things. It's very important for a blog. Select an SEO-friendly title for your blog and put it here. It will help Google users to reach your content. SEO description is also important for ranking. Use some important keywords here to make it more useful. Then save the post to continue. There you can see. There are already a lot of posts created. Now I can do whatever I want with those posts. Now I want to duplicate one post. Here you see the duplicate copy is the same to same like other. I am deleting it. There is a setting option for these full blog posts also. In the general setting, you can do a lot of customizations manually. It's super easy to do. Just have a look at it and you will find it handier. You can also make changes in SEO for this whole page. Now I want to change the design of this website. I want to change the font family. Here you can see a lot of fonts are available in Squarespace. You just have to choose one. Then it will automatically add to your website. For my website, I am choosing the Brie font. It is suitable for a food blog, I think. Here you see the entire blog font has been changed. There are a lot of settings here. You just have to have a look at it. Then you will create everything on your own. After the changes, just click the Save button. Here it is on mobile view. How wonderful it is looking on mobile. Now I want to change the header settings. It's important for your blog website. In the header, you can add your own logo. As I have no logo for my website yet, so I left this spot blank. You can add a button, social links, card, account login, on the header section. You can make your header transparent also. You can change its vertical padding, element spacing, link spacing, etc. You can also add those settings available for mobile also. You can add different logos on mobile. You can change the template of the header. I think that's all for a blogging website in Squarespace. It's super easy to use. If you can't make a blogging website or you are planning to make one for the future, please knock me. I will do it for you at a very low cost. I will give my Fiverr link below.